shall we do with the sober sailor? What shall we do with the sober sailor? What shall we do with the sober sailor?
So I just bought this Contessa 26. It's about mid-October. Got it from this guy from Little Current over in Manitoulin. And here we're just putting it on the trailer. There's the cradle. So you can see the cradles in the trailer. There are two different things. They're not integrated, so we're gonna have to secure that. The boat just needs to be adjusted. The boys at Boyle Marine over in Little Current doing a good job there. Me and Misco are just kind of discussing how we're going to do it. We gotta figure out how to strap down the boat. So here we bought a bunch of straps from... where did we get them again? Anyway, from a trucker store. This trailer we got from a friend, Chris. He's got all sorts of tools, and we rented that Ram 3500 HD from a local truck rental. Here we go. So we got the guy from Boyle Marine just checking up on our work. He's saying it's a good job. It's just one of the guys, and you know, it's giving us a little bit of confidence, but you'll later find out that the straps aren't super secure. As you can see, it's wrapped around and going across the deck and up top, and hopefully the pressure push it down. But as you can imagine, if you hit the brakes, it might just slip right through, or if you go up a hill real fast. So yeah, Misco's strapping down the cradle to the trailer. Oh, here's the guy. He's actually giving us some tips here, and he's showing us we should put the straps around the cleats. So there's several cleats on this boat that can hold a lot of pressure, right? So that makes sense. So we're gonna do that instead. That way there's less pressure on the top of the deck. See, we're putting the chains on there too. So initially we put down the straps onto to secure the trailer to the cradle, but yeah, you see Misco working on the stern there to do that. And yeah, I put the straps around the cleat. There's one on the midship there, and there's one in the stern end. Doing the same on the other side. You see Oscar, the dog at Misco's dog, running around. He's a good pup. We were fighting against time here because you know, we have to get back to Thunder Bay Yacht Club a certain time before it closes. That's about a long ways. Is it 12 hours? I can't remember. So the sun's setting pretty fast here. So yeah, strap around the winch there. So we got like this good X system. Doing the other side. We're cleaning up the shrouds. We shouldn't wrap in retrospect the standing rigging so tightly to the mast, but you know, I didn't know what I was doing. It seems fine. There we are. Misco and myself, and just kind of celebrating there, and boy, it's getting dark. We made it back. Guys, it was Thanksgiving weekend, and these guys were nice enough to help us out. You guys just lifting it from the cradle. There, Misco pulls it out. And then I'm just kind of walking over. Kind of freaked out. Kind of wobbly. But eventually it gets in there. Has a little... There you go. There's my truck beside it. I was using it as a ladder. Winter was coming real quick, so I built this this cover frame out of conduit. And there it is with the heavy-duty tarp strapped down. That was kind of fun in the wind by myself. There's Winter, and there you go. That's a few weeks ago, actually. Still holding tight. Hope you like it.